Hey guys, it's Zach and welcome back to the shop. Today we install a door lock by Yale. I guess it's actually Google Yale Google Assistant, one of those smart locks. You want to see how I do it? Stick around.
Damn.
Well, there you have it, guys. Pretty easy to install, in fact. The only thing I had to tweak was the part that was drilled out originally at my house for the deadbolt wasn't quite big enough to pull that off. So for this guy, so I just added, just a little bit of a chisel to knock that out. But we still have a little bit of a problem that I want to fix. This was painted. It's definitely like a brass or a gold. This was painted, and of course the inside is brass. So I think we should just take the time, because I went ahead and bought the oiled bronze. So I think we'll go ahead and take the time to take these off and see if we can't make these match the new lock. What do you say? Alright, so I've actually had this lock on for a couple weeks now, and so far I've actually really enjoyed it. I use the Nest app to unlock or lock it. I set it up to automatically lock after 5 minutes, although I wish they would allow you to either add your own time, like extend that time, or even lock it at a certain time of the day automatically. Other than that, I have a passcode for myself, a passcode for other family members that want to come in. It logs all that history, which is kind of slick, and it seems to be working really well. So I haven't had any issues, and yeah, so hopefully it works pretty continues to work pretty well. I do like that it actually hooks up to the existing deadbolt system, so you don't have to create a new hole just for this. So anyhow, guys, hopefully you enjoyed the video, and thanks for watching.